In this week's parasha Vayishlach, Yaakov finally meets up with his brother Esav, fearfully so. And he says, Im Lavan Garti, I lived with Lavan. What's the import of telling his brother that he lived with the wily Lavan, the father-in-law who tried to cheat him all the time? So the commentators give us a deeper understanding. The word Garti, I lived with Lavan, also means I was only temporarily there. The word Garti, as opposed to toshav, means living temporarily on a piece of land rather than permanently. And the word Garti also has intrinsically within the word the notion of stranger. Sometimes the word ger is used as a stranger. What he's telling his brother is, please take note, I was not there permanently. My mind was constantly focused on the future, which was beyond Lavan. And in a sense, we can transpose that to our own lives. We are just temporary visitors in the world of time and space. 120 years, please God. And then we return. We are only in a state of Garti. And not only that, we feel estranged, meaning we should not feel permanently there. It's a wonderful story. And the story is concerning a stranger who comes to a house of a Rebbe, and he's carrying a suitcase because he's going to spend overnight. And the Rebbe asks the stranger, and tell me, where do you live? And he tells him in his house. What is your house like? Oh, it's got beautiful furnishings, I'm a wealthy person, etc. So he says, but you're only carrying a suitcase. He says, of course, because I'm only on a journey. So the Rebbe, who lives very humbly, says, we are all on a journey. That's why I'm practically living out of my suitcase. Mission this week, recognize life is temporary. Value what truly is valuable. Don't get too connected to the land, to the Lavan, to the world that often doesn't deal with us in the way that it should, ethically and morally, especially us, the Jewish people. Always have a sense of estrangement. The permanence is with your deeper values. Maintain your Jewish spiritual values. That's where truth lies.